Let us begin. Ta-da-da-da.
Hello friends, again we are making a new video which is on the still life, and specifically here in India we have the exams called elementary and intermediate grade exams, and regarding that this video will be very helpful for you. And for that I'm just showing this image. Was the still life what I arranged front of me, and as per that I'm just gonna make this entire still life drawing. This is also called object drawing. So let's start with the still life. So here what you have to do is, first of all you have to make the outer line or the border. You have to keep a little gap from the outside and you have to make a border, and that is also, if you make with the hand, that will be more better instead of the ruler. So if you observe this picture here, you can see that there is a two part, which is the one is the ground and one is the backdrop wall. Okay, so for that we have to, first of all what we have to observe, which is mainly seeing the objects, where how big objects are there. So first of all what I will do is I will make the ground line here. This is, I am assuming that so this is what I am observing, that the lower portion is very less and the upper portion is again a little more. And I specifically compose, or I kept this paper vertically. The reason is that if you observe this composition, the all object taking the space, most of the vertical space get covered. So that's why I choose vertical layout. In other cases, if there is a horizontal layout or horizontally the things again arranged, as per that you can change your layout, or you can keep your paper horizontal layout. Okay, so let's start this one here, and if I am observing, which is the center part, exactly in the center line what I see, that is the small platform made, and out of on that, so simply I'm just making the proportions, like how big that will be, and on that again I am making this will be a little broader, and on that also I am just simply simple basic forms. I am not going into much details, and because that is what we have to do first, which is very importantly, the composition is perfect and your all the elements are more or less in the place, so it is very easy. In short, we say that this is just you have to block the areas where what you kept, and if that proportions are right, then you can go ahead and you can make more and more details in that specific areas. So I am observing here that I kept this area for this umbrella, this is area for bucket, this area specifically for this the platform what we have, this is the plate and the bowl inside, this is the banana space here, and this left side is the glass. Okay, so one by one we can start with it that, but before that we can see that there is a cloth which is in the backdrop. You can see that the flow, some of the changes you can make while making this drawings, that liberty you have for the exam. Now you can see this is the platform here, and that platform also there is a cloth flowing down. So I am very much happy with the composition what right now I have. So what I will do is that I'll start making a small details in that. So first I will start with the bucket. For that I am making a top which is the oval shape it has. Here also there is a small thick line which is the top portion of that bucket. There is little gap from this, and portion is starting here. Also there is the same gap from here, and it is ended somewhere here. So I can just make a curve of that bucket. A small little portion you can see down, which is the base of this bucket. Now the bucket thing is there, you have these guidelines, you can just make some lines. Now here if you observe that the handle of the bucket is starting from here, going through this area and again connected into this. So what I will do, I'll just lightly first make the path of that. So this is the bucket handle, but it has some thickness, so you can see a little portion of this side. Till here, and from onward you can see the inside portion. So that is the bucket handle, you can see here. So almost our bucket is ready with us. It has some lines. Now we'll go to the umbrella. That's the umbrella. That's why I drawn. This is the center line of umbrella. We have to stick to that line, and you can see that there is here that umbrella is attached here. And I just mark here upper side is the umbrella. One portion ended, another portion ended here, but it has a small pointed area in this area. So what is exactly happening here, from this section, this umbrella has this kind of shape. And here this is something like a round shape, and again there is a small section of folding. After that there is a handle start, so in between there is a rod, you can see little bit, and that's the handle start from here. From both the side I am keeping the equal distance. See the handle something like this, and that's the marking over here. Here again there is a small outer ring kind of thing, and this is the pointed area of umbrella. So that's there, and now here that the umbrella is folded. So for that I have to just make some lines, something like this. And this area is tighten up here, so it will be little go inside, and from here I'll just make a little bulge. Again from little bulge, which is the touch to the bucket, and same lines continue going round, round, round and round. So that is how the umbrella is also done. So two objects are done. Now we are going further. which is the bowl and the a plate. So plate is more or less in a shape what are we drawn here. I'm just making more darker little bit and clearer lines. It has the black border and the plate itself has the red color. I'm doing that, and now inside that there is a bowl. So for that also in the center. So that is something what the center bowl is, and in that there is this kind of similarly you can see a little more top, so you can just erase some area here. See a little bit portion of that inside portion. And here there is a handle of that cup. Similarly, exactly opposite side there will be same thing, but can see a little bit. So that way your handle also is ready with us. Moving next is we'll first draw this glass here. Proportionately again I can see round area here first, and that glass is the upper side portion is a little narrow, little down. You can see that this is little bigger. You can see little portion, and from there the handle started. That's it. We have not just drawn this base of this. First we'll make the bananas, and let's see how that the base of the glass we can draw. So banana is very simple. It has to be like some curvature, like something like this. It's a bunch of bananas. So can show the bananas here. Now I feel that that is like too much of overlapping of the bananas on the glass, so I might shift my glass. So I'll again erase. That flexibility is there. You can change a little bit portion, but you can't change exactly entirely the object. So I can make this glass over here. So that is looking better, much better. And some of the folds I have to show on the this box is here. So some of the areas we can just cover. Show the cloth feel is like simply just draw some lines. This already cloth is coming from top. And here on the ground it can fold. You can show it straight going here. Similarly from this side also you can make lines. And now here that is something very interesting. These are the folds we have to make the clouds. So this way I am ready with the sketch. There is sketch. You can overall after that you can erase some areas which is more darker or lighter, or in specific area if you want to add more details or more clarity for coloring, that also you can do. But definitely we have to keep these outlines very light, because after coloring it shouldn't be get seen. And one more thing is that in object drawing specifically, you don't have to actually outline the objects. With the shades only you have to get the all the borders and all, but not specifically you can border or outline with the black sketch pen or any other sketch pen.
To learn more such enjoyable drawing, do not forget to subscribe our channel Tada Dada Art Club, and you can like and share our videos. Bye friends, we'll see you soon with more such fun drawings. Keep practicing. Enjoy!